Hello everyone, today I am gonna show you how to replace a 3.5mm stereo headphone jack. If you think your headphone jack isn't working, or if you find any issue with your headphone jack like connecting cables are broken, any short or bad connection that cause terrible noise, and any damage to the jack, then you can replace the jack with a new one like this. And you can collect a jack from other damaged headphone like this. If you think the jack you collected from other headphone is okay, and this process, the second process, is a bit tricky, so let's start with this one first. And first we need to cut this and pretend every cable here and check which cable is connected to which part of the jack. So first I will cut this from here. Now I will pretend every cable of the jack. You can see the cables are pretended, and we don't need the fourth cable, because if we check these three, then we will automatically know which will be the fourth one. So time to check this with multimeter. So we need to put the multimeter in continuity mode. Yeah, here is the continuity mode. I'm not sure that you will hear the buzzing sound, but yeah, it's buzzing. So for the top plate, I mean the first plate, it's the green one. Yeah, it's the green one. So I will make note now for the second plate. It's the red one. Now for the third plate, we got nothing. So I think the golden cable is for the third plate. Let's check the fourth one. Maybe, I'm sure that it will be the black one. Yeah, it's the black one. So for the fourth plate, it is the black one. And for the gold cable, it's the third one. So here is the note, And for this cable, for this 3.5mm audio jack, I got this from another damaged headphone of mine, and I did the note already and checked it. You can see here is the replacement jack, and you can see first red plus gold. That means you can see here we have two cables, left and right. The left one has red and gold, and the right one has green and gold. So red plus gold, the red one is the fourth plate, the gold one is for first plate, and then for the right side cable, green is for third plate and gold is for second plate. Now we need to pretend these four cables, so after pretending we'll be right back. You can see the pretending is done. So for the replacement jack's cable, we have two cables and each has two sub cables. The cable with red and gold sub cable, gold will be connected to green of the original cable, then red will be connected to black. Then for green plus gold, green will be connected to gold original and gold will be connected to red original. And I will do the soldering and connection of camera, then we will be right back. You can see the soldering is done and it's almost ready. The last thing I need to do is to put some glue or sleeve there to prevent the short. So you can see here is a heat shrink. It will make the look perfect. And now we can check this with my phone, so let's check this. Yeah, begin playing music. You can see the replacement is done and it looks nice and clean. So now I want to check that once again. To make sure everything is okay. Yeah, it's working. This is the right earbud and this is the left earbud. So that's all for now. I think this video will help you a lot. If you like this, then hit like and subscribe into my channel and support me. So thank you guys, take care, bye.